Keeping a swimming pool clean can be one of the most time-consuming parts of pool ownership. Between vacuuming debris, scrubbing surfaces, and maintaining water clarity, pool maintenance can quickly turn into a weekly chore. That's where the Dolphin Nautilus CC automatic robotic pool vacuum cleaner comes in. Designed for both above-ground and in-ground pools up to 33 feet long, this robotic cleaner promises hands-free cleaning, wall climbing capability, powerful scrubbing brushes, and easy top-load filter access. But does it actually make pool maintenance easier? Let's dive in and find out. Right out of the box, the Dolphin Nautilus CC feels sturdy and purpose-built. The compact design makes it easy to carry and place into the pool, while the durable construction is built to withstand regular exposure to water and pool chemicals. The cleaner features an integrated handle for convenient transportation and retrieval. Despite being packed with cleaning technology, the overall design remains user-friendly and straightforward. It doesn't feel overly complicated, which is great for first-time robotic pool cleaner owners. The biggest selling point of the Nautilus CC is automation. Once placed in the water, the robot independently navigates the pool floor and walls without requiring manual guidance. Instead of spending time vacuuming the pool yourself, the cleaner handles the work automatically. It efficiently collects dirt, leaves, sand, small debris, pool contaminants. For many pool owners, this dramatically reduces routine maintenance time. The cleaner follows programmed cleaning patterns to maximize coverage and deliver consistent results. One feature that sets the Nautilus CC apart from many entry-level pool cleaners is its wall climbing capability. The robotic cleaner can travel up pool walls while actively scrubbing surfaces. This helps remove dirt, algae buildup, and grime that often accumulate above the pool floor. The active scrubbing brush provides additional cleaning power beyond simple suction alone. For pools that require regular wall maintenance, this feature can make a noticeable difference. Maintenance is often where robotic cleaners either shine or disappoint. Fortunately, the Nautilus CC features a convenient top-load filter system. When the cleaning cycle is finished, users can simply remove the filter basket from the top of the unit without disassembling the cleaner. The filter captures a wide range of debris and is easy to rinse clean with a garden hose. This simple design helps reduce cleanup time and encourages regular maintenance. The Nautilus CC is designed for pools up to 33 feet in length. It works with both above-ground pools, in-ground pools. This versatility makes it suitable for a wide range of homeowners. Whether you have a family backyard pool or a smaller recreational pool, the cleaner is capable of handling routine cleaning tasks effectively. Its compatibility is one reason why it remains one of the most popular robotic pool cleaners on the market. In everyday use, the Nautilus CC delivers exactly what many pool owners want: less work. Simply place the cleaner into the pool, start the cleaning cycle, and let it do the job. Many users appreciate returning to a visibly cleaner pool without spending hours manually vacuuming. The automated operation makes pool maintenance more manageable and allows owners to spend more time enjoying the pool rather than cleaning it. Overall, the Dolphin Nautilus CC remains one of the best robotic pool cleaners for homeowners who want effective cleaning without unnecessary complexity. It combines automatic operation, wall climbing performance, strong debris collection, and easy maintenance into a dependable package. If you're tired of manually cleaning your pool and want a reliable robotic cleaner that gets the job done, the Dolphin Nautilus CC is absolutely worth considering. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below. What's your least favorite part of pool maintenance?